Good morning. Welcome to Friday Facts with Dr. Allison Glassman. We are here at Roosevelt Vet Center. Okay, so many times you're at home, you're looking at your dog, you think something's going on, you get really worried, and you run off to the emergency room. Well, a run off to the emergency room can run you from probably at least $500 to most, don't know, 6, 8, 10 grand. So it's really good to know basic stuff of what really constitutes an emergency. So you can think of it like as in people. So is the dog or cat having a respiratory difficulty? Breathing difficulties is definitely an emergency. So dogs will often pant. Panting is normal in dogs. Open mouth breathing in cats is not normal. Unless, let's say the cat was stuck in a hot room. Okay, he's panting a little. But generally, cats who open mouth breathe is a dire emergency. They're having a very hard time. They do not do that normally. Dogs, respiratory distress, if they're at rest, if they're laying down and they're panting, or their mouth is open, or you see their abdomen going up and down trying to help them breathe, that's an emergency. This also harkens back to our heat stroke talk that we had previously. Dogs that are being walked outside in the heat, they will often develop a respiratory problem pretty quickly. You might even see them having a little foam from their nose that they're trying so hard. Go right to the emergency room. The other thing, same as people, bleeding. So if you obviously have an open wound that's bleeding profusely, that has to go to the ER. But like in yourself, if you were out working in the yard and you cut your arm, you go inside, clean it, and wrap it. You can do that with your pets. I mean, if the dog or cat will allow you to do it, you can keep it clean and keep it dry until you can get to your regular bed. Again, if it is bleeding profusely, go. You might as well go. It's probably a bigger cut. It's probably in a bad spot. But if it's, just a cut on the leg or on the head, you can clean it and wrap it and wait. The only time I probably wouldn't wait is if it was a dog fight. Dog fights are different. The dog's canine teeth will go under the skin and rip underneath. So what you're seeing is just 2 punctures, but underneath it's a mess. It's like tip of the iceberg situation. So after a dog fight, you need to go. That's an emergency room visit. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you got some good information from that. We will definitely be returning. If you have any specific questions for me, I'd love to answer them. Just email it to Roosevelt Veterinary Center, all one word, @gmail.com.